Joejoe, say hello! Hello! Oh! Joejoe has a couple of toys he wants to show you. He has the giraffe. Yes? And he has Igglepiggle. He loves them. Joejoe. What can we show them? Your Igglepiggle. Look, Joe. Wow, Joe, look at the lights. Ooh. What's that? Ooh. What's the one with the Igglepiggle? The Igglepiggle. Igglepiggle. Joejoe got that for Christmas. Yay! He loves Igglepiggle, but Igglepiggle. Oh, hold on. Oh, what about this one? You like that one? Joejoe loves these light toys, but Igglepiggle tells a story.
What a funny noise coming from Igglepigle's closet. There was a stone in it. Igglepiggle gave the stone to Upsy Daisy. Thank you, Igglepiggle.
Joe, what do you think of Igglepiggle? Long ways, Igglepiggle is so fun. Joe,
It's so...
we're going to do the star. And it lights up. I'm going to show you in the dark how it looks, Joejoe. So that's the star, then the moon. Wow. And Joejoe is looking. And then the stories. Oh. Oh, Joejoe loves this so much. Don't you, Joe? Yes? Do you love it? Then the light can go on with the star. Then the moon with lots and lots of stars. And then the story. Oh. Joejoe loves them.
Upsy Daisy's coming back. Only Upsy Daisy is allowed to go to sleep in Upsy Daisy's bed.
It's an Igglepiggle boat. We haven't took the bottom part off because I'm worried in case it breaks for Joe. Joejoe, you want to say goodbye? Say goodbye. Bye. Bye-bye. Say goodbye. Joejoe doesn't look well. Something's going on, Joe. Say bye-bye, everybody. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Well done. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye, everybody. Say smile. Bye. Say bye-bye.
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 Bye.